God. Which kind bad dream? I've been a nightmare. Be this. Wait, make I check time first. Oh, na even evening be this. That means na evening may I get be that. But I need to call Ororo. Tell am because this dream na about am.
Why this mumu dey call me by this time? Hello? This one wey dey call me for middle of night. E better dey very important o. Because if not, I no go ever pick your call again.
No wonder. I talk am. Since na middle of night for your side. That means I dey get this dream on your behalf.
What? So na because of your dirty dream you take interrupt my workout session?
Jesus! You say dey work out for middle of night at your age?
That one no concern you. Bye bye.
No, wait.
Wetin be that?
The dream na revelation of a very bad thing wey happen to you. So as a dear friend, I say make I tell you so that two of us go join mouth rebuke am on your behalf.
Which kind yeye dream be that?
For inside the dream, I see where them give you award for your 2,000 international caps and you score your 5,203 goals for club and country inside that match.
Now I know say true e be like say you be my friend. But to confirm our friendship, I go like make you go back for inside that your dream ba. Help me check for inside that my 5,203 goals. How many be my international goals?
See this old man, you know well oh. So because say them they call you see boy, you come they think say true, you still be boy. Make I tell you, people where you fit born, don't born their own children. They don't start to they play professional football oh.
No be you talk say you be my friend. So just because of this small thing why I say make you help me check. Na him you dey talk like this. I go even like make you help me check how many goals you get.
You dey mad? I go send you the dream for HD. You go use your hand check am. Nonsense. See this guy yo, him thinks saying a good thing to dey play ball at the age of 118. Anyway, I no blame am. Na me wey dey pursue am dey cause all this nonsense. Make I do retire sef so that him go know say na only am dey this thing.
Our people, based on the Champions League wey dey go on, 1xBet don carry promo wey dem dey call Champion Seasons come o. E go get more than 2,000 winners. If you wan follow for this promo, first of all, make sure say you register with our promo code Guiness to get 300% bonus for your first deposit. Then go for the promo page, press take part. On how you place bets wey pass 3,000 inside any Champions League match, dem go give you promotional tickets. Remember say as the money wey you dey take bet dey increase, na so the tickets dey increase join. Na these tickets dem go use do draw, where you fit win $5,000 cash, 5,000 bonus points, and $100 free bets. Read the terms and conditions before you start o, and try to dey always bet with sense. Good luck.
Hello? Who be this?
You never save my number.
You never answer my question. You dey ask me another nonsense question.
No vex. Wetin be your question again?
I say who you be, and how you take get my number?
I be your biggest nightmare and greatest rival to be.
Oh God. You again?
Na me. You know how many goals I scored this international break?
If you like score 1 million, nothing concern me.
I scored 2. You nko? How many you score?
I no know. Go check newspaper or internet.
I dey plan to carry 9 Ballon d'Or. You nko? How many you won't carry?
Good luck with your 9 Ballon d'Ors. Nothing concern you with how many I won't carry.
You want make we do am turn by turn like Ororo and Messi? I be make I carry my own finish before you start your own.
See this guy yo. If you dey find person to rival with, go meet Osimhen. Make I give you a number. 080.
No, now you are one rival with.
It's like you don't meant. Something that worry you for head. Griezmann, see me see trouble oh. Wetin be that? I don't enter one chance with this guy with them they call Haaland oh. Wetin him do? I don't know who give him my number. Since him done they disturb me, talk say I must be him greatest rival. I don't tell him say I no want do. Him no want hear word. I suggest Osimhen give him, say make him go to do rival with him. The guy say lie, he must be me. What I go do? See him, he not they call again. Remove your SIM card, chop am throw away for river, then go buy new SIM. Use am do welcome back. Wait, if I do welcome back, no be the same number I go get? But if you chop the first one, him phone go forget your number.
Yeah!